Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making stir fry broccoli and chicken. Oil 1 tablespoon. Boneless chicken 300 grams. Salt as per taste. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Rosemary 1 tablespoon. Paprika powder 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, cook on high heat for 5 minutes or until changes color. Broccoli 100 grams. Onion chopped half cup. Mix everything, close the lid, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.